Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making shrimp and broccoli with sausage. So as you can see, I started off by cutting up the sausage, onion, and green pepper. Once I'm done cutting everything up, I just put the sausage in the pan, seasoned them, added the green peppers and onions. So I'm gonna let that cook for a while, and then I'm gonna start on the broccoli. I just added a little water and butter to the pan, put the top on it and let it cook. Once it was done, I started with the sauce. So I'm using a half a cup of soy sauce, then some honey, added some flour, some garlic, and a little bit of sugar. Once I was done with the sauce, I went ahead and started the shrimp. I just added some butter and garlic to the pan, and I added the sausage, peppers, and onion, and the broccoli. Once I mixed everything up, I just added the sauce in, let it cook for a while, and I'm gonna show you how it looks.